Today for the Bitcoin price, Bitcoin broke out here out of the symmetrical triangle right now. No guys, we also had the perfect breakout confirmation here at this specific point. We will be talking about specific price targets in the immediate short term, but also that we have shocking data indicating right now that we have compelling evidence that the bull run of 2020 has begun today. And also one of our favorite indicators, the Gaussian channel here, has just flipped green today. You can see the last time it bought us from 6,000 to 10,000, the time before from 3,000 to 14,000 US dollars, and before it bought us all the way here from $200 to 20,000 US dollars. We will show you on-chain data showing us that the retail money is right now entering the space like crazy here, the new entities holding Bitcoin. We will also show you that the smart money, the whales, keep accumulating even at these prices directly before the halving. And we will also be talking about the search term Bitcoin on Google Trends. As you can see, this one has reached a new local high here, even higher than at the price levels of 14,000 US dollars in June 2019. We will take all of these things together and show you the sheer explosiveness for Bitcoin right now, guys. So make sure you take a seat. Make sure you smash up the like button to at least 3,000 likes. And that being said, welcome crypto fans and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris, and as always, we are really pumped to go straight into the content. Okay guys, first things first, let's start here on the 4-hourly candles before we go into this shocking data here, giving very compelling evidence that the bull run of 2020 has just started. We want to start with some TA because today it is more important than ever. As you know, Bitcoin was trapped here in that symmetrical triangle, and we just broke out yesterday here. And the most important thing for us, you know, when we are trading a breakout, we are waiting for the confirmation. We are always waiting for the price to come back and then confirm the breakout, guys. We will show you our trade later on in the video. Right now we want to focus on what prices we are expecting here for Bitcoin in the immediate short term. And guys, please stay here for the end of the video because the data we are about to show you is mind-blowing. It is groundbreaking. First of all, easy thing here, very textbook, guys. The measured move target actually brings us here all the way up to the price target of approximately 10,200 US dollars. Why is that price target not very surprising? Well, if we go here to the daily chart and we auto scale this, you can see that we have been talking here about this bump and run reversal pattern with the lead in phase, with the bump phase, and with this run phase, once again with the confirmation white here, which we also traded. You can see it in all of our last videos. And then we had the run up here to much higher prices. And guys, remember what our price target was here. We talked about the 10,300, 10,400, 10,500 US dollar level. And this is an actually very good alignment here with the measured move target of the symmetrical triangle. However, guys, the most important thing in this video right now is the technical data and also the on-chain data here right now showing us that the bull run has most likely started today. So make sure you stick around for that, because first of all, the Gaussian channel, you probably remember it. We covered it multiple times here on our channel, and you can see right now here inside of the triangle, it flashed this green signal here. And guys, we can only zoom out to show you what this green signal usually means. So first of all, here we had a crazy run up, 80% in fact, and then of course the unprecedented virus here came and dragged us down. If you look at all the other signals this specific indicator gave us, look at this. We just ran up here to 14,000 from 3,000 in 2019. Also, the last one, if we log scale this, you can basically see that every single time this one here started flashing green signals, we ran up here to the next highs of the next bull market. And of course, this doesn't really change for 2014, for 2015, and so on. So this indicator so far was very, very good. But we are never looking at only one specific indicator, guys, when we want to say, well, is the bull run starting or not? Specifically, we are always looking at the on-chain data. And what do we need, guys, before we go into this mind-blowing data here? What do we need to say with a very high degree of confidence that the next bull run is starting? guys, I can tell you what we need. We need new money entering the space. We need new people joining the Bitcoin network, because if you understand anything from the Metcalfe's law and from network effects, you know that Bitcoin is a network, and with every additional person and entity joining the network, the value of the network inherently increases significantly as well. And since the price is a delayed function of the underlying value, of course, more people entering the space is not only good for the price, it's also good for the underlying value. So let's look at this data and let's try to determine right now, is new money entering the space? And I can already tell you something. This data shows us that we have an unprecedented situation of new money entering the space, of new people entering the space. First of all, credits to Glassnode here for this amazing data. You can see that Bitcoin has a growth in new entities, which is a clustering of wallets belonging to the same entity here. So every entity can consist out of many wallets, but this data here is much more clean than just tracking the wallets. And this one is here right now going extremely exponential. The number of new entities per day is completely mind-blowing right now, surpassing all the growth here within the last 3 years. In fact, the only time we had a higher growth of new entities entering the space was in the end of 2017. I mean, guys, this is completely mind-blowing right now. So first of all, we have new retail money entering the space, guys. This is very nice to see. Then second of all, you probably have seen that if you are subscribed to Ivan on Tech, he shared today that the Cash App is also reporting a new record high in quarterly revenues, which is also quite nice to see. But let's go to the next on-chain metric. We have been talking about the number of whales here multiple times, and these are entities holding more than 1,000 Bitcoin. This is considered the smart money and the whale money. And we have been talking about right here how it is increasing, and you can see they are still accumulating Bitcoin. So not only the retail money here, like you can see it on the Square Cash App, which is a fiat gateway and a very good measurement for new people entering the space, but also the new entities are increasing and the number of whales are increasing significantly, also much more than we have seen it before, at least much more as we have seen it since years. And now, guys, lean back, look at this. If we have a look at the Google keyword search traffic and you type in buy Bitcoin at trends.google.com, you can see that there is proof. We have tweeted that out today. By the way, go to twitter.com/MMCrypto and follow us over there. The link is also in the pinned comment down below. We have been saying proof. New retail money is entering the Bitcoin space. And what you can see here is this is the 1-year chart that we have reached a new all-time high, even higher. The search traffic for buy Bitcoin, not for Bitcoin halving, for buy Bitcoin is higher than we had it at the prices of 14,000 in June 2014. And this is of course another indication here that people are searching for Bitcoin, that people are trying to find out how to buy Bitcoin. And it is very interesting to see that all this shadow banning right now is happening exactly at the time when these people need us the most, guys. Go to our channel, watch the last video. We have been talking about the shadow banning. It's also popping up on top of the screen right now if you haven't watched it already. It's a crazy theory we actually mentioned yesterday, and we also said that these shadow bannings are happening at a very, very crucial timing, and that Bitcoin always had a massive bull run afterwards. Make sure you check it out, guys. So first of all, guys, I want to know from you, before we go into the next mind-blowing data here, please take part at the poll. We need the sentiment analysis right now. I want to know from you guys, do you think that we will see a bull run in 2020? Of course there will be ups and downs, but zooming out, do you think there will be a bull run here in 2020? Yes or no? Click the poll which is popping up on top of the screen right now and say yes or no towards the 2020 bull run. That would be very interesting to see. And guys, now I want to show you something which is putting in even more gunpowder here into the fire right now for the potential Bitcoin bull run in 2020. And this is the United States government. You heard about the $3 trillion they are about to pump into the economy. Well, guys, this is not even priced in this data here. We have been tweeting out that today, and you can see that the US national debt is right now here having 25 trillion accumulated, and you can see that their income, the debt debt is actually the liabilities and the tax revenue is the income, that this one is at 3.5 trillion. But the most important thing here is the sustainability analysis, because the US national debt is actually increasing by, guys, and now sit back, by 2 million US dollar per minute, whereas the income, the federal tax revenue, is decreasing by 200,000 US dollars per minute. So we can see a very, very dangerous spread here, and this is indicating that this debt bubble is going to burst rather sooner than later. And of course, we do want to be prepared for that, guys. We want to be prepared for that by holding Bitcoin, by holding gold, by holding things which you cannot artificially inflate like fiat currencies. And now for everyone who is interested, guys, of course we had made a new trade here on Phemex. We are not doing a lot of trades, as you know, but as you can see it here, we didn't have the perfect entry, but according to our own strategy, it was a very good entry. Let me zoom in here a little bit, and you can see that this one is right now profitable here, and we went in a 10x trade here, approximately 100,000 US dollars in value for the trade. And as you can see, we could have stayed in our last trade, right? But as a trader, you don't want to have everything. You want to have a significant part of every cake, and you want to have a good risk return ratio. So that's why we waited for the breakout and we waited for the confirmation signal here also to go into the trade, guys. And just to show you guys that we didn't have any other trades here in the meantime, if we go to close positions, you can see our last 3 recent trades with 0.9 Bitcoin profit, 0.01 Bitcoin just break even, and the other one was 1.6 Bitcoin profit, and this one is right now in approximately 2,300 US dollar profit. Of course, guys, we will be trading also unprofitably every now and then, guys. We want to be honest here, and we will show you our unprofitable trades as well. And if this one turns bearish, we will show it to you as well. But so far, all of these trades here, ever since we tried out Phemex, were very, very profitable here. Very nice. So guys, if you're an experienced trader as well, if you want to take advantage of this very volatile situation here, guys, make sure you take advantage of that here. In our pinned comment, we have bonuses for you guys, and you can find our main exchange Bybit with 1,590 US dollars up to this specific amount here completely for free by clicking that link and signing up. And also on Phemex, where we are also trading here right now on the shorter time frames with up to $112 completely for free if you're an experienced trader after 0.2 respectively 0.5 Bitcoin deposit, guys. And of course, with all this trading, I want to zoom out and show you also our long-term vision. Watch this video right here where we are answering why trading is not the most important thing for us, why the long-term vision is the most important thing, and we are answering when it is the best time to buy Bitcoin. So look at this. If you are here for the long run, if you are here for the fundamentals and what Bitcoin is actually meant for, then all of this stuff doesn't matter. So if someone wants to take any advice, maybe dollar cost averaging is better than trying to outperform the market in that way. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. Make sure you click the subscription box right here and also the Bible tutorial, which is popping up right there. And yes, we will see each other already tomorrow at the next one of MMCrypto. So make sure you smash up the like button. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.